why website developers use Figma. Website developers are constantly seeking efficient tools and platforms that streamline their workflows and enhance the overall design process. Figma has emerged as one of the leading collaborative design tools in recent years, and it has gained immense popularity among developers for a multitude of reasons. Let's dive into why Matic uses Figma to design and build our clients' websites before we develop them in Webflow. One of the primary reasons behind Figma's rapid adoption is its real-time collaboration abilities. Web developers can work together with their teammates simultaneously, contributing and observing changes made to the design instantaneously. This enhanced collaboration empowers developers and designers to work efficiently, eliminating the need for endless design revisions and back-and-forth communications. Figma is a cloud-based tool that runs smoothly on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Developers can access their design files anywhere, anytime, through a web browser or the Figma desktop app, ensuring continuous progress regardless of their operating system preferences. Figma streamlines the transition from design to development via automatically generated CSS snippets, minimizing manual work for developers. Furthermore, design specs such as dimensions, colors, and typography are readily available within the platform for developers to incorporate into their code smoothly. Features like Smart Animate, Components, and Auto Layout enables developers to create responsive designs and interactive prototypes simulating real-life user experience. This helps them test and iterate their designs quickly, ensuring optimal user experience and satisfaction. Figma's ecosystem facilitates integration with popular project management tools and version controls like Jira, Trello, and GitHub. These integrations bridge the gap between developers and other team members, creating a cohesive workflow across different teams and phases of a project. Figma's version history feature allows web developers to explore previous iterations of design projects and revert to an earlier stage if required. This alleviates the hassle of maintaining multiple versions of the design across different files. Additionally, it supports a well-structured file organization system, allowing developers and designers to keep all their assets and design intuitively organized in a single location. Figma continually enhances its toolset and introduces new features supported by an ever-growing global community of web developers and designers. An extensive library of plugins, tutorials, and resources contributed by Figma users ensures a comprehensive and extensive learning experience for everyone, regardless of their proficiency levels. Considering the multitude of benefits and versatile features, it comes to no surprise that Matic has embraced the design tool wholeheartedly. By enabling seamless collaboration, streamlined workflows, and intuitive user experiences, Figma has established its position as a go-to tool here at Matic between our creative and development teams. Thanks for checking out this week's Matic Monday. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about branding, Webflow, and CRMs, be sure to like and subscribe. Happy Matic Monday.